Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Okay guys, she detangled her own hair. Yay! So we just deep conditioned it with the TM Hair Products Smooth Through Detangler. And as we started to do her braid pattern, I used the Perfect Assist
guys,
styling.
I have braided one side. This braid here is skinnier because that's where her part is going to be. So I don't want this braid fat. I want this braid to lay as flat as possible, and I want it as close to the scalp as possible, so she won't have a big gap when I put her crochet braids in. I use the Perfect Assist styling aid. As you can see, her hair is white, to braid down her braid pattern. I'm going to connect all of these in the back to braid down her braid pattern to keep her hair moisturized. I didn't braid these tight because I don't want to grip her edges tight, and this is going to cover all of that. So I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to part off a very skinny braid. Pull your head over a little bit more. I'm going to part off a real skinny braid, just like this one, braided, and braid these 4 medium-sized braids going back. And I will let you guys see when I'm finished. Let me make sense of this madness for y'all. I think where I left off, I told y'all I was going to braid these back. So that's what I did. But in the midst of me thinking of this, she is a dancer. And I know for ballet, they have to wear their hair like in a bun. So I braided these going up in case she has to pull her hair up in the bun. And this, what I did was I braided these back, and then I braided one, let me see, turn around, right here. One perimeter braid all the way around. And then I started to, turn your head around, I started to connect them in this zigzag motion. So hopefully this works. In my head it works, but I'm not sure if I can implement it, because I want her hair to be flat, but I also have to give her versatility in case she has to pull her hair up when she's in dance class, or if she wants to wear it down. Like, you won't see these obviously until she has to wear her hair up, if she has to wear her hair up in dance class. But normally in dance, in ballet especially, she has to wear her hair in a bun, so she can wear it in a bun back here, so she'll still be in compliance with her ballet class. So that's what I'm doing. So this is going to be her center part right here, and I'm just going to crochet here really closely, fill this in, and here really closely, because I don't want it really bulky either. So I'll come back and let you guys know once I start crocheting, and I'll let you guys see what I'm doing. Okay guys, I have installed her crochet braids, and I don't want it too full, so I space these out, space these out, space these out. And that's what a lot of people don't show you in their videos. Crochet braids are about placement, where you place them to make the hair look full. So I'm going to add, and as I come closer to the front, her crochets are going to be smaller because I want it thinner in the front. So as it comes closer to the front, I'm going to add them thinner. Now don't make them tight, because I don't want to grip her edges too tight. So I'm going to finish that, and then I'm going to, when I fill in, when I do this braid right here, they're going to be literally right on top of each other, so you can't see any spacing. Like, you won't see any of these spacing here. They'll be right on top of each other, the crochet braids. So I'm going to fill in a few more here. This is more toward the back, so it'll be, this one will be a little thicker. Slide it through the hoop. And if you are new to crochet braids, this is the easiest way, but you can do it with the loop, with the hook, and I can show you how to do that as well. But if you're doing fatter crochet braids, see how this covers more area? So I did them kind of heavier in the back because this covers more area. I'll do one more. I'm going to space it out. I don't want it too big, but I'm going to space it out. This is the amount of hair that I'm using to space it out. So put it on the hook. Make sure the hook is closed. Open. Pull the hair through, turn. Pull the hair through, pull. So if you want the knot to lay on top, that's the way you would do it. So see how this is covering a lot of space without using so many crochet braids. So I'm going to finish that, and I'm going to start on the very close one, and then I will let you guys see the finished results. Okay, this is the finished look. Again, I wanted her part to be freakishly close because that'll give her a couple of weeks to be able to wear it, because as her crochets get old, it's going to open up like that. So maybe next week it'll be open perfectly, but I wanted to give her enough time to be able to enjoy them and wear them without having to take them out because your part is freakishly wide. So we're going to clean it up and brush it out. When she ties it down, this is going to lay flatter. It's going to lay like so. It's going to lay flatter. And the back that I was telling you guys about, it lays well. Let me see. Can't hold the head back. So the back lays pretty flat. The part I told you guys about with me connecting the braids, it lays pretty flat. As you can see, it's not too full. It's nice and thin around the front. Obviously it'll be a little fuller in the back, but we didn't want it too thick, like voluminous around the front. So it's nice and thin around the front, which is what we wanted. So I'm just going to trim it up, and we'll have pictures at the end.
Okay guys, these are some still pictures. As you know, I'm always late with the pictures. If you're familiar with my channel, I'm always late with pictures. These pictures are about a week old, but as you can see, her part opened up beautifully. What I forgot to tell you guys while I was filming was I ran the blow dryer through the hair to give it a more silky look. We cut it higher up on the shoulders, as you can see, and gave her a deep V in the back. My daughter's almost 6 feet tall, so this hair hit her nice. If you saw the video of her auditioning for her dance group, she had her hair in a bun. This was that hair. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.